Aloha, I'm Andy, and in this video I will upgrade the CPU for the Acer eMachines E520 laptop from single-core Celeron M575 to dual-core Core2Duo T7300 CPU. For the upgrade I need a Phillips screwdriver, plastic opening tool, paper towel, isopropyl alcohol, slotted screwdriver, thermal paste, and of course the Core2Duo T7300 upgrader CPU. After the upgrade I will run the CPU's benchmark and the Windows Experience Index to see how much power I gain after the upgrade. First I need to disassemble the laptop. Step 1, I remove the battery. Step 2, I unscrew the screw and remove the RAM cover door. Step 3, I unscrew the screw and remove the hard disk drive cover door. Step 4, from this plastic ear, I pull the hard disk drive caddy and remove it. Step 5, I unscrew the screw and remove the wireless card cover door. Step 6, I unscrew the two holding screws, unplug the antenna cables and remove the wireless card. I release the wireless antenna cables. Step 7, I unscrew the screw and remove the optical disk drive. Step 8, I unscrew the 12 screws from bottom case. I flip the laptop and remove the switch cover. Step 9, I remove the keyboard. Step 10, I release all the cables. Step 11, I remove the power button. Step 12, I remove the 4 laptop hinge fixing screws. Step 13, now I can remove the laptop display. Step 14, I remove the palm rest holding screws. Step 15, I remove the palm rest with help of plastic opening tool. Step 16, this is the motherboard. I simply lift out the motherboard. There are no holding screws. Step 17, I remove the 4 heatsink holding screws and remove the heatsink. Step 18, first I clean the CPU and the heatsink with a dry paper towel. After that, I use a paper towel with isopropyl alcohol. Step 19, I unlock and remove the Celeron M575 CPU. This is the dual-core, Core2Duo T7300 upgrader CPU. Step 20, I insert the CPU in the socket and I lock the CPU in the socket. Step 21, I clean the CPU with isopropyl alcohol. Step 22, I apply the thermal paste to the CPU. Step 23, I assembly the laptop. After I assembled the laptop, I made a little benchmark with the CPU Z. And these are the Windows Experience Index ratings under Windows 7. The laptop is running faster, the web browsing is faster, overall I'm satisfied with the CPU upgrade. Thanks for watching, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, goodbye.